Kubleki baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentah kasngi kilong, pan jamin sauraj kushwaha, sedang biang ki pulit ribhoi rengkat ke RBYF bantalasi kali penkeng an, penkanglut kidukan de dawai hari India haka arpau tarik jemang, ban Yat stat ke jing penkre National Games 8,000 arpul nyau ha Meghalaya. Bat mentah Gini pai shiki Khubor kiba kambania. Kayeng Kashari District Council haka arpu khandai tarik Iaiong kalasong bishar sani yaka jamin balapan muktiar nong ya said an jong uraj kushwaha usamla kasonam. Yakani ke jingkerpat jamin jong uraj kushwaha kadang don haka jinga said naki muktiar arliang mamla. Yaki charge sheet nakabenta kini arngut ki pulit kilapan ngat haki babon ki kendon jong ka an kriminal.
We have just argued the bail applications. We are waiting for the order. That's all I can say right now. Yeah.
So on what basis? Like, what were the grounds? If you can just give us.
We are claiming parity with the other bail application that was allowed. So thank you.
Just a second. You said that. Is that because the sections are same? All the sections are for the Raj Kushwaha?
Yes. They're all sections are same. So let us wait for the order because we just finished to argue the matter. Okay, thank you so much.
By when this?
We don't know by when, but thank you so much.
Ki pulit karibhoi district hakamit arpu khandai tarik Iaiong kila penlong biang ya kejing talasi ya ki kali penkhen an hasurok ba habernihat hadien ba kila bu tengno lakatu kat ni benai ya kani kejing talasi layalam da uba banker lang marwen DSP urubul ali OC kabernihat police station bad Michael marak OC kanopo police station bad lasendran ki weipat ki pulit bad ki officer nakini ki police station. Kidekot ke RBYF Bernihat Circle haka jingalam usamla Ricky Lapang bat usamla Frankie Rani Ru kila kershan lang yaki pulit hakani ke janmit. Hakani ke jing talasi ki pulit kila labun ngut kinong nya kali kila penkhen yaki an nya kali kentup yaki banyak kali hadin bala dikyat ki baklem tap maloi kli bat ki wei ki bala penkhen an yaki kendon jong ka Motor Vehicle Act. Urubul Ali ulayatho hakinong tho Khubor da ka baong. Kani kadai tang kajing sedang, bat hakajuk kapor kadai ru kajing hikai bat jing sneng ya kinong nya kali. Ula kenturu ya baro kinong nya kali ban buram bat iki kendon jong kaan hakapor baki nya kali hasurok. Pikir bat husiar ya la kajing im kimar ki mata bat iki mensim briu ki bayat bayeng harut surok. Kinoyalam ke RBYF kilapan pau Bon ki aksiden ha surok ki jujia namar ka jingle klam akor jong kinong nya kali ki bambut iki kendon an bat kani kayalam sya ka jingdu e ki mensim brio.
अच्छा कोई आइडेंटिटी कार्ड में ठीक है सर ठीक है बस ये पकड़ो बगल ठीक हो ये पिया है ये पक्का पिया है कहाँ पे पिया तुम
Good evening everybody. Today we have conducted a awareness program on drunk and driving. As there are lots of accident cases, like before also I told you when I was in traffic, that to prevent these accidents we have to do checkings. So as I have joined here as Bernihat OC, so the first initiative I took on traffic awareness. So today also we are conducting a awareness program on drunk and driving. So we have checked so many vehicles and we have got so many drunkards, especially these truck drivers. Because of this drunk and driving, there are lots of accidents. In order to prevent the accidents, we have to conduct this drunk and driving. And I am very thankful to our Honorable SP who have given me this opportunity for checking. And I am very thankful for the RBYF President and all the guys of RBYF who have supported and participated in this awareness program. So in future also we will conduct the same procedure and for these lawbreakers will be very strict. Today we have checked this drunken driving, but we have collected very less fine because this is awareness, not for fine. Today, first awareness, then second will be giving them the penalties. Thank you.
Adin ka Khubor bangilayo na po ka police department yang ka bernihat mau mencuang tip berkuit bagadi ka outpost anri mentakal akla ka police station tingiyo ka city ka badan hangne mobile ba lamba jeng osi juga bernihat police station ba bakandon ka jeng kamera kan drive hapo ka bernihat posnong juga te ni kentu ke police ba ni kemen ba lada kia checking you can get drive number of bun sin hangne khamtam ne po Shillong bernihat jungi ki ba bun ki ba accident mention man macam teori ki dang sulap ba spot dead don apo kabai lengba kabai jong KTM tingi kundu saya ka police department pat ni sokuman nagalang ka seng ruba ki khot bangnya don bentalang kum mangi hoaj nyamla bancem ya kata ka fine nyamla bancem dekai kum ni gisang balang ni de kenong chakri ki pajba ngini le ban pun su ki pajba ba hakapor punya kali naidi nai bam ke bun sin kapan made gi pajba kapan i ba kane kamde namar ka ai kan sabit ka ai tengai kublai sibun ya ka police department ka bala simkian apo ka banihat kumjur SP sir ibala ai kum kane kalat ba kandon ka checking but ngakermen scam ban nang sekmat kamde lang kamanda kasmi bakandon malla kasmi ni kum kaseng nadu ngila pentip sa kibor rangba jungi napo sol budi ba kila ai yang hukum ba ya mudi banyak penstui ki pajba tengai kublai sibun ro ya police department yang bernihat ba nadu balawan ini sar batmai nganong be hapong batmai nomor ba ilawan ra ki light geleng nadu street light bagi ong geleng ilawan ra ni sutenat bat nakaliang kaseng ikentu tang kata ba nginya trailang nginya ai ka badon ngiru kat balangin penstui ki pajba ba nang sekmat pinam dai su bandi ban bam hakabar ba pinya agali kane ka penuan jingma nam taki pajba
ke nikong dong awas ngoban ai kublai ya ki para member jungi ki bala pelai nang kapor takasengi banginya don mentalang kane ka checking drunk and drive but ya bancek ya kini ki kena ki banyak kam helmet te dang kini si kembala batai presiden jungi ka don sisa kata ka accident ma arngut ki kena samla ki ladu ya la musim te kane kalong ka ba susi namta ki kena ki samla jungi te ngi nakaliang keseng kwa banai mensim ya kini samla ba ki de bendang helmet ba kinya kali ba ye kini ki banyak kali ba khamtam ki truk mtasing lap sya ya kini ki badi ma ki pan ba pendukam ya ki jingbendi buat akan kasengi ba ngi sya ya kita kalau ngajing ma nam ta kini ki nonglet nongwan ki ba khamtam hak permit si beje ar beje mono ban ya pa kita ma salintin kilit tendra ki yat be mundan bi ya kata kajing accident tekane ke kalau kajing manam ta ki pajba te ngi kumtu sisa ya ki khamtam ki pajba ba kimde ban penukam ya ka jingdi ma ba binya haba pinya kali haba pila de kali di ka ba piman melele te nakaliang kaseng jungi Indonesia ya kata kajing kitli nam ta ki pajba khamtam ya kane ka bernihat kadang ka busy area ni ba kalong ka highway ka balong busy sya du kata kali kawan tengah soban ai khuble khamtam ya yosi jungi i sarubul bala penyo ikini ki humrat ma aman lagi cek ki turning point ba lengba jengki ka don sisa ka jing sengan namta kali kawan lagi pajba tekane kalong ka bastunat namta jungi ka seng te ni ba kane ka atpo singi ka long police station tengi kwa ya kane police station makan pendukam sisa ya kata ka kateng ka police station ma bagindon ka checkpoint man
Kasenjuk kinong de dawai ki bakentup ye kinong de bat nong thiet balatip kum ka Meghalaya Healthcare Association MHCA rengkat kajing snok tilang ka All India Organization of Chemists and Druggists hak arpu khandai tarik Iaiong hajar arpu henreu kalapen bena pajba lengba kilat pathai Khubor bahaka arpau tarik jemang baro ki dukan de dawai pharmacy ha baro ka wekari India bat ha Meghalaya kin khang khrdep bat anam don ka di ka the dawai ha kani kasngi Unang yalam kani ka MHCA ha kani ka Jylla ba David Kharsati ulapan bena ya kani ka daw ba kani ka senjuk ka khang dukan di dawai ha ka arphau tarek jemang kalong namar ka sarkar India kala plela deki company san dawai bat deki mahajan he distributor bandi bat thiet dawai lengba ka yo online kumbale yaki weipat ki mar ki mata bat ki kor ki bor kani ka senjuk ka persajur ya kani ka rai jong ka sarkar India ulaong Ula batai ru kani karai jong ka MHCA kamdei bakating ya kajing du nong. Hendrei kajing ting kami namar lada thiet eki dawai dashen online kan bu jing ma ya ka kwat ka khia bat ya kajing im jong ki pat ba claim ki jing tho prescription na ki doktor. Ki company ki bade ne shalan ya kini ki dawai kin pet bet tang ya kajing yo nong. Bat kim pateo satya ya kajing im jong ki nong pang. Ula ong ru kin mi shibun ki breu ki ban kamai bamhok na kani ka jing ailat ka sarkar India khamtam ya ki company he seng.
Khubor nomor ba ipoi sekali ka press conference tentang kasih kadai halal kadau ba ni kum ke Meghalaya Healthcare Association ni don ke ciente Banyatay kat bak All India Chemists and Druggist Association Iaiong katma kabanyan lek menta kadai alor kawai kanongrim kata kadong panggim kwa kum kinong di dawai ki badan kumba khatar khalai lak ngot ki member India berkubai ngim kwa bakani ka cingdi ya ki dawai lembah online sebab pilatif mental ba Amazon ngasno bila dawai antau tatawan MG kunta terter kini kecik kaba niasyam kum kino dawai tolong ba kamdei bagi ting yang hidup business mereka bagi ting tolong ba ki dawai ki bom trekam kabagi khat dak tereng fake spurious drops la supply dan kita tu kena kibreu kiba kwa ban kamai pisang dah kabung hok yang tidak wai latip bakadai kita kiting cacing de kemudian tambah de dengan rei kibreu kibawan pentit wai kini berengkam ya jerak habaki pang berengkam berkenal tina kata kau habang i akan dekat sarkar India i kumpa kam kwa show ban snap ya kejing ya krenci kini kalau ada isu belak betar 7 years Indian nyosnam khasnam dia di Meghalaya i tenrei i kumpa sarkar India kam kwa show ban snap ya kaseng jadi i kumpa kwa ban snap yang dikato kat ni ngut sipan hari ini kibatmu ban penyaklud dia para fat kenong dia dawai ki marway kin supply dawai hari India berkubai. Dia nama kita kadau ngiwan syapi ba nilarai haka meeting kebadan apa Udaipur nak kini berada kasan tarik trong berada lain ba ngin khang kecing dia dawai sanksi lenter ndrei bala kat jilil ya kren bak ki hari dia berapa wai yang minum lek sansmi inlek suatang yang kubi wai na idak kata galong hak hargo kerik coba ini inlek ke one day ban kedawai bukan dawai barok nadok ki wholesale ki retail beli farmasi hak ketubi taksi yang kami ki nom beli di lembah ketika Lembah kini Khubor ba Iwan Syaki nikwa ba namar gimla ban poi siki nam pendong borok dei lembah ka Khubor ba pipin rap la lagi ban poi kini ka Khubor ya kini siki ke bagi thak bisa ai Syaki kini siki bagi ai Syaki ina ai Syak office trong chief minister Syak office trong health minister Syaki MP kat Ibadan Director Health Services, Licensing Authority, UDC, but Commissioner Secretary of Health. Kini ni ay ki bakin tip namar ba kum kaseng ka basyay, kaseng ka barang chit kli, ikwa aparok kini ya trainer ka, kini ya persangpan ya corporate ban ni, sisni kan long tangkum kadak, panha ya ka Khubor, syang ka sarkar India ba kadai ban lei kadai ban khang no ya kita gibreu kiba ai dawai kiba pak dawai namba online claim down prescription dari doktor prescription tebadai ke naik Andre ki perangkap apply juga do para kacu kapor lain minta uni drugs wala sekai pelat hari dia Meghalaya jadiru te gisolong kikia ya kene gisukia ba kibreu kisim kabu ba ka prescription ka ba san sinem maswa isu persamban pertama ya ka kitin dawai ba online te namar kata kadau ka ai ko kenang khang ya kino kibreu ke dawai online lembaran prescription dari kedik sarkar po India ka ini kinam girawai kinam pa isim kabu ya kedik gawai ka ai ke ba ladat ailat akapor bodon ko ber hantu kapor ailat pa ya kirawai de ko suyi
Kaptenat Yalekai Sports and Youth Affairs jang Khuborkhasi Jylla haka arpo khandai tarik Iaiong kalasong jingelang perkhat kam na kabenta ki jingpen kre ya kalumpong Yalekai bahetam hakari balatip kum kan National Games 2000 arpo nyau kabanlong ha Meghalaya ha usnam banwan Habaya kran berkilat pathai Khubor uba wailat miki Shillong Menteri Khuborkhasi Jylla ulayathu ki jingpen kre kilayat shat ha baro kiliang na Sports Department jang Khuborkhasi Meghalaya Ulayathu ru ki officer rangba na Khuborkhasi India kilawan bani mirjingmut bat ban pech sani man kapor ya ki jingpen kre ya kani kalimpung ba jong kari
Recently, just a few weeks back, under the under the chairmanship of our chief minister, where not only for national game, but actually he took the review meeting of all the department. So there we have present the presentation to him, and we are on track. All the construction of all the competition venue is going on, and we have mapped the accommodation in our state, which we feel that Shillong we have the numbers, but we are right at the moment we are having shortage in Tura and in Jowai, which we have also have a plan for that. We already have given the scheme from the tourism department for this boutique hotel, where almost I think 70 to 75% of subsidy will be given from the government, at least because we don't want to create any more infrastructure, because you know that just by if we continue to build infrastructure also, it will be very difficult, will be challenging for us to maintain it after the national game. So that's why we take this opportunity at least to promote tourism at the same time, and we give opportunity to the locals who want to set up these boutique hotels, but we have given them a set of guidelines where they have to incorporate where we can put our athlete or technical person in the coming days. So other than that, just a few months back also the secretary from the of sports from the union government also came here. He took the review meeting, he visited the site, he also was quite happy. And then a month back also our commissioner secretary along with our officers have visited our union minister Dr. Mansukh Mandviyaji, and have also shared the presentation with him. So they also were quite happy with the presentation. So overall, I could say that the preparation.
Badai kitu ki Khubor ngelapoi syagabakut tarhadu bangindaya syambiang kublai shibun.